Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cassie if you guys are new here. Today's wig review is extra special because I'm collaborating with a fellow wig bae. Her name is Carrie and I love her. She has amazing content, she's gorgeous, she's funny, and you know what? I can be a little long-winded at times, so I'm gonna go ahead and let her introduce herself and I'll be right back.
Hey y'all, so my name is Carrie M, formerly known as Makeup by Carrie, and on my channel I do mad wig reviews. I do a little bit of makeup tutorials, maybe some try on hauls, jewelry, color contests, a lot of girly stuff. So if you're into the girly stuff, you may find it there on my channel along with a bunch of fun, okay? And first of all, Cassie, thank you so much for doing this collaboration with me. I appreciate you so much. So let's go ahead and get into her review, all right? I'll see y'all later.
I hope you guys check out Carrie's video after you are done watching this video. A link to her channel and her video will be posted down in the description bar, so make sure you go ahead and check it out. I also want to give a huge thank you and shout out to SamsBeauty for wanting to partner with me on today's video. They were kind enough to sponsor today's video and send me this wig for review, so make sure you guys go ahead and check them out as well. This unit that I am reviewing is Sensationel's Butta Lace Unit 6. I know, I'm a little bit late to the bandwagon, okay? These units have been out for quite a minute. I believe they're on 11 or so now, and this is the very first unit that I am trying from this collection. Like I mentioned, this is Butta Lace unit number 6, and I have it in a color 1B. If you guys are not familiar with this collection, which I'm sure you are, they claim to offer HD units with ear-to-ear parting. They are lace part units, so they're not full frontals. They're similar to the Outre Melted Hairline collection, where they give you lace along the hairline, but you have a set part, and this is set as a middle part. It does claim to have a wider parting space, and this unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I styled this unit, and then I'll be back to give you guys my full review.
I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't want to get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel how it feels, babe? Won't you love me the open kind of new way? Love me like yesterday. I'm sure messed up, not once or twice, but every time.
So let's go ahead and get into the tea about this unit. I like to give my cons first and then go ahead and jump into the pros so we can end on a positive note. Y'all, the only con that I have, and I say that with air quotes because I do think that it's a personal preference, is the cap size of this unit. If you guys are not new to my channel, I do have a larger size head. Big head gang, it is what it is. So this unit fits a little bit more snug on me, and it is pushed back on my hairline, so it is not truly ear to ear on me. But if you have a normal size head or a smaller size head, lucky you, this will probably fit you perfectly. That's really the only con that I have with this unit, and I say con very lightly because obviously if you have a different size head than myself, it will fit you differently. It's not too snug to the point where it's giving me any type of uncomfort or where I feel like I would get a headache or anything like that, so that is nice. I was expecting a little bit more of a yaki texture just based off of what the stock card was given. She's looking like she could be like a light Nisha texture. This is definitely a light yaki, so you have a little bit of texture and weight to it. It's not super silky. It is very soft, so I am loving that. I just feel like you can't go wrong with a middle part, sleek, straight unit. I feel like this is a staple in anybody's wig collection. This is one that you could throw on and go. All I did was add a little bit of bronzer to the lace to have it blend into my skin tone, and I put my bronzer down the part as well instead of using my face powder. I find that my face powder is a little bit too bright, and I kind of like it to just blend in with my skin, and since I apply my bronzer along my forehead, I use my bronzer on my lace because I feel like I just have like a better match with that. This is so pretty, and as you guys can see, I am running my fingers through this hair. I have not gotten a single snag yet. Okay, y'all know I'm tall. I am 6 feet tall to be exact. So on me, this is falling right at the end of my chest right here. So it's a good 22 inches long on me, and I'll show you guys what it looks like with all the hair to the back as well, because I know some of y'all like to get a good 360. So here's what the back looks like. Y'all, I haven't received any shedding or anything with this wig, and I even went in and tweezed a little bit out of the hairline right here in the front, just because I felt like it could have been pre-plucked and a little bit more natural looking. So you definitely could throw this wig on and go, and you don't have to do any plucking. But if you're somebody who likes to customize their hairlines, I do think that this wig could benefit from that. And I didn't remove the baby hairs. All I did was take my hot comb and I brushed those back just to mold them back into the hair. I attempted to do baby hairs for a second, but like, I just don't like it. I just really prefer a natural, clean hairline. That's just my personal opinion. I also applied a little bit of heat around the parting space just to have that lay really flat and sleek, and bada bing, bada boom, here we go. Like, this is the end result, and it's absolutely gorgeous. The holidays are coming up. This would be a great purchase. She is fairly inexpensive and definitely reasonable. If you guys were looking for a staple classic unit that you would like to add to your collection, I think that you would be really impressed and satisfied with this purchase. I feel like you would get your money's worth. So it does get my stamp of approval. I love this unit. I'm really happy with it, and I kind of want to go get it in a different color, maybe like a flamboyage blend or something like that, because I feel like that would be really pretty. That is it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you would like to purchase this wig so you can slay it during the holidays, a direct link for purchase will be down below, as well as a link to Sam's Beauty's website. Thank you again for sponsoring today's video. And I have to give a bigger thank you to my girl Carrie for wanting to collaborate with me with today's video. And if you guys are coming over from Carrie's channel, thank you so much. If you like what you saw, go ahead and hit that button down below, subscribe, turn on the bell so you never miss an upload from me. And I will see you guys in my next video, which will be very, very soon.